Marlon?
Yes.
Sa tingin ko, kailangan mo nang mag-globe. Kasi ang globe nag-warning. Sabi ko na lang nasa
Wala kang load.
O, tanongin natin sa nakakapela. O, nakakapela. Kuya, pangit yung wala ka ng itsura, wala ka pang ulo. Yan. Sige. Ako, agwapuhan pero matalino ko. Alam ko lahat ng mga pinakakapala. Science is an organized body of knowledge gathered for a long period of time to explain the world we live in and solve problems in our quest to gain mastery over our environment. Global warming is the excessive amount of carbon dioxide emitted in the air that causes the greenhouse effect that will lead to the melting of the polar ice.
Kaya sa global warming, ito na yung akapela, isabihin mo na sa kanya.
Acapella is a small church. Capilla.
Kapatid, meron na ang idea. Okay mga kaibigan, ito na po ang acapella from Tony Braxton, Breathe Again. Kapag nagustuhan nyo, magpalakpakan ng malakas. Kapag hindi nyo po nagustuhan yung gagawin namin, mga kaibigan, simple lang ang gagawin, ganun din. 1, 2, 3, go.
Here I am, feeling in my own if I never feel I'm loving now and then, will I never make us to you once again? Please understand, even though then I promise you, that I shall never leave you again. You know, that I shall never leave.